Welcome students. Today we are going to understand topic identity, standard identity and application of identity, standard 8. So first of all, what is an identity? So as it is written over here that an identity is an equality which is true for all values of the variable. Focus on the term variables. For example, over here what we can see, a plus b or whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that means if we are putting value of a equals to 1, value of b equals to 2, and if we are going to solve this left hand side and separately this right hand side, we will get the same result. That means both of the parts are equal. If we are interchanging their values in that case also we are getting the same values. It is true for all the values of a and b. Now on the other hand, an equation is true only for certain values of its variables. An equation is not an identity. For example, over here what we can see, x square equals to 1. So in this case what we can get, x equals to either plus 1 or minus 1 after solving it. So that means we are getting certain set of values for this variable, but in identity we are getting any values. That means if we are going to put any value over here, we will get the LHS and RHS are equal. Now over here the below four identities are useful in carrying out squares and product of algebraic expressions. So which are a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and then x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab. Now let us try these questions with some of example. So now use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So first question is what? Y plus 1 into y plus 1. So what we are getting, there are two same numbers, that means y plus 1 and other y plus 1. So that means we can write it as y plus 1 whole square. So we can compare it with the identity which we have studied right now, that is a plus b whole square. So by putting this identity, we can get the result as y square plus 2y plus 1. Similarly over here this can be converted into a plus b into a minus b, and the last one will be converted into a minus b whole square. So that means these identities are very useful for solving different questions. Now these are the some standard identity which we have already discussed, that a plus b whole square and equals to a square plus 2a plus b square, and a minus b whole square, then a plus b into a minus b, and then x plus a into x plus b. So this x plus a and x plus b is same as we have studied here. So that means these four are the standard identities. In this slide I have separated it in the different side. Now applying identities, that means how we can use these identities, what are the applications. So the first one is 4x minus 3y whole square. So that can be represented as, if we are going to consider 4x as a, 3y is b. Now what we can do, we can simply write 4x minus 3y whole square can be written as a minus b whole square. So just using the identity of a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be the result. That means 4x whole square minus 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square. What is the result which we get? 16x square minus 24xy plus 9y square. Now the next question, this is also a kind of application what we are using, that if we have to multiply 501 plus 502, then what we can do, we can write it in the form of 500 plus 1 and then 500 plus 2. So over here this 500 can be considered as x, and a can be considered as 1, b 2. So now we can apply this identity which is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus bracket a plus b whole x plus ab, and we will get the result. So thanks I hope you have understood these three topics.